Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you my favorite Myanmar casual wear dresses that you are perfect for everyday wear. Whether you are looking for a stylish dress for a night out or a comfortable dress for a casual day out, I hope you will find some inspiration in this video. Let's start with my top picks and Myanmar casual wear dresses. These dresses are not only stylish but also comfortable and versatile. This blue tied dress is perfect for summer. This thrifted shirt dress is a classic choice. The classic waist and button font design make it both comfortable and stylish. This flower maxi dress is perfect for a bohemian look. The flowy design and vibrant colors make it ideal for a summer evening. Now let's talk about styling types for Myanmar casual wear dresses. Here are a few of my favorites. A belt can instantly elevate your look and define your waist. Add some statement jewelry or hair to give your outfit a pop of personality. Choose shoes and complement your dresses such as sandals or sneakers. If you are interested in purchasing a Myanmar casual wear dresses, here are some places to consider. You can find Myanmar dresses on online stores like Amazon or Zappos. Check out local boutiques in your area for unique and stylish Myanmar dresses. Some designers sell their Myanmar dresses directly on their website. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this video on Myanmar casual wear dresses. Whether you are looking for a stylish dresses or just want to stay on trend, I hope you'll find some inspiration in this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fashion content. What's your favorite type of Myanmar dresses? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fashion tutorial and trends. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you my favorite casual wear dresses that are perfect for everyday wear. Whether you are running errands, meeting up with friends, or just lounging around, a casual dress is a great option. Let's start with my top picks and casual wear dresses. These dresses are not only stylish but it also comfortable and versatile. First up, we have the classic sundress, perfect from warm weather. Sundresses are a great option for casual outings. Next, we have the shift dresses. Simple yet stylish shift dresses are perfect for everyday wear. And the great option is the maxi dresses. Flowy and comfortable maxi dresses are perfect for a relaxed look. When it comes to casual wear dresses, the fabric is just as important as the style. One of my fabrics for casual dresses is cotton. Breathable and comfortable cotton is perfect for everyday wear. And the great option is linen. Lightweight and airy linen dresses are perfect for warm weather. You can also consider polyester or rayon dresses, which are often easy to care for and durable. Now let's talk about styling types for casual wear dresses. One of my favorite ways to style a casual is with my sneakers, perfect for a relaxed look. Sneakers are great for every day where you can also add a jacket or cardigan to dress up your look. Accessories can also make a big difference. Try adding a statement necklace or a pair of earrings to elevate your look. Let's talk about trends in casual wear dresses. One trend I am loving right now is utility dresses with pockets and functional details. Utility dresses are both stylish and practical. Another trend is sustainable dresses made from eco friendly materials. Sustainable dresses are perfect for those who care about the environment. You can also